Our next speaker this evening is Sharon Kuban.
Good evening, President Rice, Vice President Hornbaum, and members of the board. Thank you for allowing me to speak tonight. My name is Sharon Kuban. I'm a special ed facilitator at First Colony Middle School, and I'd like to speak to you tonight about our health care benefits. As an employee of Fort Bend ISD, that makes $25,000 or less per year. My health care insurance plan currently costs me $97.57, or just under 10% of my gross pay, considering a 2-week pay period. I'm also on the open access plan that supplies the coverage for my needs. I'm here tonight to tell you that the high amount I pay for health insurance coverage is unacceptable, and to plead with the district that you review other options available to the district. In comparison to nearly $100 I pay, HISD is taking advantage of the new Affordable Health Care Act and work with the insurance carriers to provide a low-cost health plan that a $5 per month for people making under $25,000 annually is far less than anything that our district currently provides to its employees like me. Which leaves me to wonder why our district can't reach out to the insurance carriers and work to ensure better coverage for all employees like HISD does. The bottom line of any school district is a level of care that we give to our students and the value we give to taxpayers for their tax dollars. If the district cares about our students, it would simply make more sense to ensure that experienced paraprofessionals that work directly in tandem with salary employees and those students get a competitive level of compensation, including health care benefits that neighboring districts offers to their employees at the same pay grade. Otherwise, you have veteran employees like me, a long-term, top-ranking paraprofessional in special ed department, considering all the options available to me, leaving our students with less experienced personnel. Additionally, I can't imagine that if our insurance premium is so high that what the district is paying is a competitive rate across the board. Not only am I employing the district, but as a taxpayer, I contribute directly to the finances of the district. I'm left to wonder if the due diligence is provided.
30 seconds.
This better insurance option employees for the district are going to be met. Experienced paraprofessionals make a world of difference in the school environment. Fort Bend ISD should take steps not to ensure the pay of competitive, but have the access to good health care benefits. I hope Fort Bend ISD will consider reviewing our health care plan in depth to ensure we begin to offer the same competitive compensation to all our employees and our neighboring districts too. Thank you for this time this evening.
Thank you, Ms. Kuban.